Curious about the 2025 Jeep Cherokee Wrangler's cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? Wondering what those warning lights and symbols mean? In this video, we'll answer all your questions and help you understand what to do when an alert pops up. Interior view. The dashboard has a sleek, functional design with an intuitive layout for easy accessibility. It features durable materials and an ergonomic structure for driver comfort. The Wrangler's 12.3-inch touchscreen display is fully digital and customizable. It shows real-time vehicle data and off-road metrics and supports Uconnect 5. The 2025 Jeep Wrangler's 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, displaying real-time vehicle data, navigation, and safety alerts. It also features off-road pages for tracking pitch, roll, and drivetrain status. The 2025 Jeep Wrangler features a 12.3-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect 5, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and customizable widgets. It provides access to navigation, media, and off-road vehicle data. The 2025 Jeep Wrangler features an ergonomic gear shifter with a modern design for smooth shifting. It includes a leather-wrapped grip and integrated controls for enhanced off-road and on-road performance. The 2025 Jeep Wrangler offers multiple engine options, including a 2.0-liter turbocharged i4, a 3.6-liter Pentastar 5.6, and a 6.4-liter Hemi V8. It also includes a 4xe plug-in hybrid variant for enhanced efficiency and off-road capability. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Airbag warning light, brake warning light, battery charge, warning light, door open, warning light, electric power steering, electronic throttle control, engine coolant temperature, adaptive cruise control, air suspension fault, anti-lock brake system, electric park brake, electronic stability control, off, fuel level sensor failure, low fuel warning, low washer fluid, malfunction indicator light, rear axle locker fault, service forward collision, service stop start, Service 4 WD, tire pressure monitoring, air suspension ride, height lowering, cargo light on indicator, forward collision warning, air suspension ride height raising, neutral indicator, entry or exit indicator, 4WD indicator, 4WD high indicator, 4WD low, 4-wheel drive auto adaptive cruise control set with target adaptive cruise control, set with no target ECO mode, front fog indicator, headlights on indicator, turn signal indicator, cruise control set, stop start active. Cruise control ready, High beam indicator light.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2 scanner for diagnostics.
General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.